Hello guys, today I will show you how to install fsociety tool in your Kali Linux in Android. First you have to make your terminal update and upgrade. For making your terminal update and upgrade, you have to type apt update and apt upgrade. After making your terminal apt update and apt upgrade, after that you have to type apt install python 2 because this tool will work in the python 2 language. So guys, please install this tool python 2. It will take some times in your terminal. After that you can clone the fsociety tool. After that you have to clone your fsociety tool. For cloning process you have to type get clone and I given the link in the telegram channel guys, so please visit my telegram channel so you can take that link and clone it here. After that you have to paste that one. Guys, I given the link in the telegram channel, so please visit that one. After that you have to type get clone and paste that link. After pasting that link you have to type enter. It will take some times in your terminal guys, so please wait in the patience. After that I already installed this one, that's why it's showing for me like this. After that you have to make ls. After that you have to search for the fsociety tool. Here it is. Copy it and make it here and clear your terminal. After that you have to make ls. After that you have to change the directory. For making the change the directory you have to type cd for the change directory and copy it again the fsociety tool and paste it here. After that again make ls for the list command. After that you have to type python 2 and this one fsociety.py. Copy this one and paste it here. After that make enter. This tool is only for the education purpose guys, to please don't misuse these tools, and this video is only for the education purpose, so don't misuse this video. I will show the full practical video in my telegram channel, so please visit my telegram channel. Thanks for watching guys.
Yeah.